Imagine a war machine so terrifying it could launch giant flaming arrows over city walls. Welcome to the world of the ancient ballista. This ancient warfare tech was like a giant crossbow on steroids, used by civilizations like the Greeks and Romans. Picture this: massive wooden frames, twisted ropes for tension, and huge bolts flying through the air with deadly precision. The ballista wasn't just about brute force. It was a precision weapon, capable of piercing armor and breaking enemy lines from hundreds of yards away. One famous example was during the siege of Syracuse, where Archimedes, the legendary mathematician and engineer, reportedly designed powerful catapults and ballistae that kept invading Romans at bay. These machines changed the game of siege warfare, turning walls from safe havens into vulnerable targets. The ballista combined physics and engineering in a way that was revolutionary for its time, showing that ancient armies weren't just about swords and shields. They were master inventors too. Imagine the craftsmanship required: wooden beams carefully shaped and joined, sinew or twisted animal guts used to create immense tension, and precise calculations to ensure each bolt flew true. The operators had to understand not only the mechanics but also the art of aiming and timing. Unlike earlier siege engines that relied on sheer force or randomness, the ballista represented a leap towards mechanical accuracy. So next time you think of ancient battles, remember, it wasn't just hand-to-hand combat. It was also a high-tech arms race centuries before modern guns. The ballista's impact stretched far beyond the battlefield. Its design principles influenced the development of medieval trebuchets, and later, the early cannons and artillery of the Renaissance. Some historians suggest that the understanding of torsion and tension mechanics gained from ballistic experiments laid the groundwork for breakthroughs in ballistic science. This ancient invention was more than a weapon. It was a symbol of human ingenuity, blending science, engineering, and warfare in a way that shaped history. What if this ancient invention was the very ancestor of modern warfare technology? From the thunderous roar of the ballista's release to the deadly precision of its projectiles, it serves as a reminder that innovation in warfare has always been a driving force behind technological advancement. Next time you hear about modern missiles or artillery, remember that their roots might just trace back to those giant wooden machines that once shook the foundations of ancient cities.